Hello everyone, today we'll discuss about API gravity by hydrometer. So what is API gravity? API gravity is a short for American Petroleum Institute gravity, an inverse measure that is used to determine the weight of petroleum liquids in comparison to water. So next, let's talk about the origin of API gravity. The original technique used to measure the gravity of liquid was called the Baumi scale. It was developed in France in 1768 and was officially accepted by the U.S. National Bureau of Standards in 1916. After encountering a series of errors and variations, the American Petroleum Institute refined the scale and created API gravity. This is now widely used across the globe. So to measure, you need to use hydrometer. The hydrometer measures the density of liquids. It is made of clear glass and is most often approximately 8 inches long. Hydrometers are primarily used to determine the density of an unknown liquid. So the hydrometer has two parts, the stem and the bulb. The stem is a slender tube above the larger tube, and it is a hollow glass with a rounded end. A straight cylindrical stem is calibrated by which the density or specific gravity of the test liquid is measured. Next is the bulb. It has two parts. This rounded end contains the ballast inside at the end of the bulb. Attached to the outside of the hydrometer at the end of the bulb is what you call the glass bead. These glass beads serve as the buffer of the hydrometer, preventing it from direct contact from the bottom of the liquid's container. So to measure, use the hydrometer. Gradually immerse the bulb into the center of the test liquid until the surface level directly contacts the stem. Never drop the hydrometer into the test liquid. It can damage the hydrometer, rendering a false measurement. Gently release the stem. Once the hydrometer is balanced, you may now record the readings. You should notice that the surface level of the liquid is in fact curved up along the edges of the liquid container. This effect is called meniscus. Locate where the meniscus is at its lowermost point along the scale of the stem. So next is API gravity equation. You can obtain API gravity value by using the formula API is equal to 141.5 over SP minus 131.5, which is SP is equals to specific gravity. You can also convert API gravity to specific gravity by using this formula. Specific gravity is equal to 141.5 over degree API plus 131.5. As a reminder, specific gravity is the density of the object over the density of water. So that's the end of our report. Thank you for listening, and God bless you always.